Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to sign into multiple accounts on YouTube. This is how to do it. Open your YouTube app. You have to click on You at the bottom right corner. At the top you're going to see where it says Accounts. Click on it, and here you're going to see an option that says Add Account. Click on Add Account. Click on Continue. It will bring out a pop-up that will let you fill in a new Google account and your password. Once you are done, those accounts will be listed here. You can now switch between anyone you want to use. So that's how you sign into multiple accounts on YouTube. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.